Hello everyone, welcome back to your YouTube channel Simplify Maths with Lalit. So here we are dealing with the question of limits. Let's get started with the question number 5th. So we have covered like 4th questions. Please go through like in our playlist and you can watch the other videos, okay? Now the question number 5th is find out the limit as x tends towards infinity. 11x cubed minus 3x plus 4, 13x cubed minus 5x square minus 7. Now as x is tending towards infinity, this is infinity upon infinity, which is not like undetermined form. Okay, so what we do in such question is very important for see the degree. The degree of numerator is 3, degree of denominator is 3. So the shortcut is whenever the degree is same, coefficient, ratio of the coefficient of like the highest, when you talk about the highest degree variable, its coefficient, and in the numerator and denominator would be the final answer. For example, 11 by 3. But how to write? Obviously, we cannot directly write the answer. First step is we'll take that highest power variable common. If you take x to the power 3 common, here it would be 11. It's going to be minus 3x upon x cube, 4 upon x cube, 13 common, like x cube common, it's going to be 13 minus 5x square upon x cube, minus 7 upon x cube. Okay, so x cube would get cancelled. The next step would be here x square, here it would be x cube, and similarly this is 1 upon x. Okay, now the point is this is 1 upon x cube. Now as x is tending towards infinity, 1 upon infinity, 1 upon infinity square, 1 upon infinity cube, 1 upon infinity form would tend towards 0. So this two terms would become 0. 11 minus 0 plus 0, 13 minus 0 minus 0, which is 11 upon 3. Very easy everyone. Let's move towards the next question. Okay, let me first explain here and then we'll move towards the next part. So first we'll take x cube common, which is the highest degree term, and other term would be like 11 minus something in terms of variable, 13 upon something in terms of variable. All this term would become 0 because 1 upon infinity is tending towards 0, 1 upon infinity 0. So this is 11 upon 13. So I guess this is clear with everyone. The last one is limit x tends to a, sin x minus a, 10 square x minus a, x square minus a square whole square. Now sin x minus a, what we want is as it is, like we know sin x by x is 1. So here consider t. So sin t by we want t. So it should be x minus a. Since we have divided, we should multiply also. So x minus a, x minus a. Now next 10 square x minus a. Now what is x square minus a square? Is x minus a into x plus a. Now it's whole square. So that's the reason this step. Okay. Next step. So this value would be as x is tending towards a. So this would be 0. This is 0. So sin x by x would be 0. How to check? See, here it's 0, here it is a. Main thing is you should check as x is tending towards 0, this value is tending towards 0, this is 0. 0 by 0 form, its value is 1. X is tending towards a minus a 0, a minus a 0. So this is 0 by 0 form. We can say that in such cases this value would be 1, this value is 1. Now this is 10x minus a whole square, x minus a whole square. So 10x minus upon x minus a whole square. 10x by x is again 1, as x is tending towards a, this is 0, 0, 0 by 0. This value is 1 square, which is 1 only. Similarly, the last one, like we have x minus a, we have x minus a, and similarly we have x plus a whole square. X minus a will substitute here a minus a is 0, a plus a is 2a. 2a whole square would be 4a square, 0 upon something would be 0. So yeah, the final answer is 0. Finally, we'll conclude this and we'll move towards the next video. So again, first we'll take sin x minus a, we'll divide by x minus a, multiply by x minus a. This value is 1. 10x minus a whole square, this is x minus a whole square, x plus a whole square, a square minus b square. Now this would be 10x minus a upon x minus a whole square. This value would be again 1, 1 square is 1. Similarly, x minus a, x plus a whole square. A minus a is 0, 0 upon something would be 0. So I guess this is clear with everyone. We'll move towards the next video. Till then, everyone take good care of yourself. Bye everyone.